Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Dollar Tree haul. I went to 3 different local Dollar Trees just before the snowstorm settled us in. And now I'll unpack these bags and share with you some of my finds, as well as items I'm going to be using in upcoming DIYs. My name is Lisa, and if you're new here, I invite you to subscribe. I bought 2 of these glittery hearts on sticks for some fun DIYs. These wooden hearts were especially nice because they included some embellishments. From a wide variety of yarn, I chose this chenille in this beautiful red to wrap some hearts. This tinsel bear is cute, but wait till you see how beautiful it will be when we transform them using a beautiful soft plush yarn. These foam hearts were there last year as well, and I found them to be wonderful for wrapping in yarn and including in various displays. Dollar Tree has lots of hearts, and I found some of the glittery ones that I used last year to yarn wrap and include in a variety of displays. We'll make some new ones this year. This sweet little penguin in snow-colored white ceramic is very nice quality and beautifully finished. Here, this beaded heart wreath is going to lend itself to a lovely decoration. They had a lot of wooden beaded wreaths, including some in red, pink, and white. Here, these ornaments came in a 2-pack and are perfect for personalization. I picked up this berry garland for a DIY I'm planning. Similarly, the baker's twine will also be used in a DIY. This is new this year. This heart ribbon lace is so detailed and very beautiful, as is also this muted pink ribbon that has mini cutout hearts. I plan to use this decorative shred in a project, but it would also be nice for Valentine gift baskets. These jars with the ceramic lids are beautiful and much more high-end looking than their $1.25 price would suggest. The heart detailed napkins are so pretty, and I purchased one of the Dollar Tree napkin holders, decorated it, and you can see how pretty the Valentine themed napkins look inside. For just a few dollars, it makes a lovely accent piece for your table, buffet, or hostess gift. You can see here I also found some hearts on picks. These are nice thick wood. I really liked the quality, and the picks could be removed. The Dollar Tree picture frames always come in handy for DIYs, and I have one in mind. I picked up these Valentine chair covers to use in a DIY similar to the ones I made in the fall using the Scarecrow chair covers. They make up into lovely, large, decorative pillows. And my favorite find of all is these teddy bear jars. This one is in pink. They also had them in red. I only found them in one of the 3 Dollar Trees that I visited, and they are flying off the shelf. I was happy to find these glittered hearts again this year. They're so useful for either yarn wrapping or painting, or simply using them as they are to include in various vignettes and displays for Valentine's Day. These window clings are always fun to see. I love the way Dollar Tree has them seasonally. I plan to use these to decorate one of the cylinder vases for a beautiful display. Here are more of the wooden picks in the hearts, and this came in pink. They also had them, as I showed you earlier, the red ones, and they also had gold. This little kissing booth was just too cute to pass up, and I'm going to use it in a tiered display. Here, the cards, I have to show you, they're $1 a piece, and they're handmade, very thick, and you can see the dimensionality. You make my heart happy. This card for $1 paired with some beautiful roses or one of the $5 teddy bears would be such a beautiful gift. For a total of just $6, what a lovely, heartfelt gift this would make. Here's a package of 24 pieces of table scatter. They're felt and nice hearts that could be used as table scatter, but also for projects. This heart-shaped pillow is $5 from the plus aisle, and I think it's worth the money. It's very, very soft and plush, and I think it would be a bright accent pillow. Here are some plates. They're very thick, and I'm going to use them in a DIY. They're in the party section. I found these interesting graphic designed stickers. Please let me know in the comments if you can think of some clever ways to use them. I also found this lovely Just Cotton yarn. The pink is so pretty, and I thought it would be lovely to wrap some of the wooden hearts. I bought 4 of these mirrors that are designed to be candle holders. You'll have to stay tuned to see the fun way I'm going to use them. Here's another one of the glittered hearts, and as I mentioned, they're beautiful just as they are. I bought another of the 8x10 photo frames for a DIY. Next, there's more to come. Wait, there's more. I found these really cute Cupid designed ornaments. You get 2 for $1.25, and I'm going to use them again in another DIY I'm planning. They had them in other designs as well, as you can see here in the store. I thought the Cupid ones were the cutest. Similar in size to the white penguins, they also had these in the metallic silver color. You can find both the white and the silver ones in the candle holder section. I just think they are adorable, and I'm going to come up with a fun DIY using them. Going into my other bag here at the bottom, you can see that this is a Christmas item. It's a giant gift bag, and for 63 cents, I'm going to put it away for next year. Here's some more pretty yarn in a very textured chenille. I found these beautiful muted pink rose clips. They also had them in a vibrant red color. And I did pick up a few Easter items. These bottle brush carrots are so cute, and they came in yellow as well. I bought a package of these 8 wooden hearts to yarn wrap. They turned out really cute last year. I also bought one of the Dollar Tree placemats. They had these in 2 other colors, blue and gray as well. I chose this one to use in an upcoming DIY. When I saw this beautiful mural painted on the side of a bakery that's over 100 years old on a recent trip to Philadelphia, I was struck with the realization that something so simple as a cement wall can be transformed into something that's so delightful. And I think we could think about some of the things at Dollar Tree in the same way. Items that seem so common and unassuming can be transformed into really creative projects. On a budget, you can make beautiful items for your home and gifts that delight other people. I'm going to use these items that I've shown you today in some delightful ways. I hope you'll join me again. In the meantime, take care and God bless.